Feel the music. Educating through music, enriching lives, bringing dreams to reality, giving more meaning to life. Educating through music, enriching lives, bringing dreams to reality, giving more meaning to life. Educating through music, touching, enriching lives, just bringing dreams to reality.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome to the fifth episode of Virtual Classroom Fun Learn Day. My name is Disha, and I'm going to be your host for this lovely fun learning experience. Episode of Virtual Classroom Fun Learn Day. My name is Disha, and I'm going to be your host for this lovely fun learning experience. Well, the song that you just heard, it is actually composed by our very own FSM educators. And for today's session, I bring to you one of our wonderful educators. His name is Justice Daniel. He's been playing for about 15 years now. Isn't that amazing? Well, he has performed with a lot of bands, and to name a few, they are the Cheese Factory and the Obsidian Experience. And a little fact about them, they have been actually featured in the Rolling Stone India article. That's awesome, right? Well, I think it'll be great to hear more about him from Justice Sir himself. So, without further ado, let's call upon Justice Sir. Justice Sir, over to you.
Hello everyone, welcome to this Facebook Live session. My name is Justice Daniel and I'm going to be your guitar teacher for the day. Okay, so before we start learning how to play the guitar, we need to first learn how to hold a guitar. Okay, to do that, I'll just raise my guitar and show you this curved part. What you all need to do is just rest this curved part on your right leg thighs like this. After that, just bring your guitar closer to you, like that. See, much more comfortable now. Awesome. Great. Now that you know how to hold the guitar, now let's learn some very basic parts of the guitar. Okay. Just like we have a head, a neck, and a whole body, guitar also has that. So we have a head for the guitar. This is the head. This part. This long thing is neck of the guitar. This neck. And this rest of the thing, this is the body of the guitar. Okay, so we have head, neck, and body. We also have other parts on the guitar, but they differ in different types of guitar. Okay, like, can you see these fret lines? Yes, some guitars have it, and some don't. Okay, that's a very cool thing to know. Okay, we also have a amoeba, but one very common thing that each and every guitar would have are strings. Okay, can you see that? The thin wires and running over the neck like this. Can you see? In total, we have 6 strings on this guitar. Okay, different guitars have different number of strings, but a standard electric or acoustic guitar would have 6 strings. Okay, so we have the first string, second string, third string, fourth string, and the fifth string and the sixth string. Okay, so we count them from below, from the thinnest string: one, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, now just like we all have a name, strings also have a name. So the name of the first string, the thinnest string, is E. Name of the second one is B. Third one G. Fourth one is D. The fifth one is A. And the sixth one is again E. Okay, so we have E, B, G, D, A, E. Now I know it's a little difficult to remember all of them in the first class. So I have a very easy trick and shortcut for you. So what we'll do is add some words to each letter of the string name. So we have every boy gives donation at Everest. EBGDAE. Every boy gives donation at Everest. Okay, that's how you remember that. Okay, I hope you got it. Great. Now you all know what are the string names of the guitar, but how to play it. Now to play the guitar, there are mainly two main methods. The first one is playing with your fingers, or famously people use this thing. This is called a plectrum or a guitar pick. Okay, so most of the time for today's class, we are going to use a guitar pick to play the strings on the guitar. So first we need to learn how to hold a guitar pick. To hold a guitar pick, first you need to make this kind of shape on your right hand. Okay. Then you just need to balance the guitar pick over it. Okay, like this. Now remember, the edgy or the pointy side should be facing towards the outside, like this. I hope you all can see. See, the pointy side is towards the outside. Okay, facing towards the outside. Now, you just close it with your thumb. Okay, just pinch it. That's it. And that's how we hold a guitar pick. Okay, great. Okay, now that we all are ready with our instruments, so let's learn how to play it. Cool. So now I'm going to teach you very basic instructions while I'm teaching. So thing is, whenever I say the word play, then only you're going to play. But exactly after the word play, not on the word play. For example, when I say E play, you'll play E like that, not like this. E play, not together with the word play. After the word play. Okay. So now I'm going to call Disha ma'am with us, who's going to play with you all. Okay. Yay, Disha ma'am is here. Great. So let's start with the first string. So we are going to first start with E. So let's get ready and play that. Ready, steady, E. Play. See, exactly after the word play. Now let's go to the second string. Ready, steady, B. Play. Yes. Now third string. Ready, steady, G. Play. Yes, perfect. That was very easy, right? Great. So now we are going to combine the strings and make a very beautiful melody out of it. It's very simple and very easy, but when they are played together, it sounds very beautiful. Okay, so let's start. So let me just explain how we are going to play it. So we are first going to play the E string or the first string, and it is going to be played like this. E hold. Okay, again, listen. E, hold. So what that means is you're going to play it once and let it ring for one more count. Okay? So it's for in total two counts. So that is 1, 2. E, hold. Easy, right? Now, after that, we are going to play B, E. That means second string, first string. Okay? Now, when you combine both of them together, we get this. E, hold, B, E. Easy? Yes. But what we're going to do now is we are going to play this section or this part 4 times in a row. Okay? So the entire thing would sound like this. Ready, steady, ready, listen. E, hold, B, E. Okay? That's easy, right? Okay, now it's your turn to do it. So, ma'am, over to you. Ma'am is going to play with you all. Let's get ready.
Yes. So here I go first with the instruction and then the playing part. Ready, steady, ready, play.
Perfect. Perfect. Everyone played it very beautifully. Great. Now that was the first 4 bars of our song. Okay. Now let's learn the next 4 bars of the song. Okay. The next 4 bars are very easy. It's just E, B, E, B, going back and forth. Okay. So we are going to play it like this. E, B, E, B. That's your just one part. Okay, or one bar. Okay. I'll repeat it again. E, B, E, B. Now you have to repeat that one bar for 4 times. Okay. The entire thing would sound like this. Ready, steady, ready, listen. Easy, right? Yes, it is. Now, Disha ma'am is going to play with you all. Yes, ma'am. Over to you.
I'm ready. So ready, steady, ready, play.
Perfect. That was really perfect. Guess what? You have learned the first 8 parts of a song from our FSM curriculum, which is called Open House. Okay, that was very easy to play and very fun to play and very beautiful composition. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it, ma'am. Over to you.
Well, that was really fun, right? The entire learning experience that we went through. I would suggest that you do connect with us for further search on some learning experience, and we'll be really happy to help you with your entire musical journey. And let me tell you, with the right guidance, you can definitely play a lot of technical stuff as well. How about I give you a glimpse of it? I think I'll need help from Justice Sir now. So, Justice Sir, I would like to call you again and show them some really awesome technical stuff. Wow, that was really superb, right? You too can get there. All you have to do is start the journey. And how would you do that? You have to visit the FSM Buddy link. Let's go ahead and have a look at it
In today's times, creativity is the need of the hour, and what better way to cultivate it than by indulging in various forms of art? Presenting FSM Buddy, your one stop destination to everything that screams creativity: music, art, craft, sound production, dance, languages, drama. Log on for live lessons which give you instant feedback and personal direction, all from the comfort of your own lovely home. These sessions are conducted by our amazing community of teachers. Come on then, unleash your creative power. Start your online learning journey with FSM Buddy today.
Well, I hope you have taken a note of the FSM Buddy link. Make sure that you go and visit it, explore it. I'm sure you'll find something for yourself over there. And I hope you have enjoyed today's session as well. Remember, do visit the website and let us know. Until then, see you next week.